How to create a 3D pop-out effect in Photoshop. Here are the steps on how to create a 3D pop-out effect in Photoshop. 1. Open the image you want to use in Photoshop. 2. Use the polygonal lasso tool to select the subject of the image. 3. Copy the selection, Ctrl+C, and paste it into a new layer, Ctrl+V. 4. Rename the new layer subject. 5. Use the Move tool to position the subject layer over the background image. 6. Right-click on the subject layer and select Layer Style Bevel and Emboss. 7. In the Bevel and Emboss dialog box, set the following options: *style, inner bevel *technique, smooth *depth, 10px size, 5px angle, 120 degrees altitude, 30 degrees highlight mode, screen shadow mode, multiply opacity, 50% soften, 1px. Click OK. 9. Duplicate the subject layer, Ctrl+J. 10. Rename the new layer shadow. 11. Move the shadow layer below the subject layer in the Layers panel. 12. Use the Move tool to position the shadow layer so that it overlaps the bottom of the subject layer. 13. Right-click on the shadow layer and select Layer Style Drop Shadow. 14. In the Drop Shadow dialog box, set the following options: *blend mode, multiply opacity, 50% distance, 5px spread, 0px size, 10px angle, 120 degrees use global light, checked color, black 15. Click OK. 16. Your 3D pop-out effect is now complete.